Hello everyone, welcome you back. This is Sankesh and today we are going to solve daily Leetcode question. Make two array equal by reversing subarrays. Let's say what question is saying. You are given to integer array of equal length. So what we know, the length of target and array is equal. In one step, you can select a non-empty subarray. Means in a subarray there should be at least one element of ARR and reverse it. You are allowed to make any number of steps. The steps can be n will be any number. Return true if you can make array equal to target or false otherwise. Okay. So my question is saying, okay. So question is saying you are giving target and ARR array. What you have to do, you have to reverse sub array in ARR and try to make target array. Does it make sense? Okay. Okay. So my first question is how can we do this? After seeing this array, for sure I know the position of one should be here according to my target array. And yes. So can I do this by just simply reversing my this array? This subarray, it will be like 1 4 2 3. Can I say this? Yes, we can do this. Okay. Now the second thing is I want the position of 2 to be here at index 1. Can I reverse this subarray to get my desired answer? I can say yeah, I can. It will be looking like this. Okay. After that, the position of 3 will I want to be at index 2. So can I just reverse this subarray? My answer is yes. After reversing, we can simply see I can get my target array by just reversing sub array from my array. Okay. So I can simply return true. There are two or three things we should keep in mind. We should keep in mind. I need to return true or false. Does it make sense? I need to return true or false, but I don't need to do this in like some minimum time reverse or something like this. So my question is simple. Now break down to you. Let's say you have some an array which is like A1, A2, A3, A4, and A5. Okay. Let's see. I want A4 to be at first position here, which simply means, or I can say, which simply means for every element, like the position of this element will I am taking this I, and this will be j. Can I simply say that uh, 2 swap my A4 with A1? Can I simply reverse this much of sub array? Can I say this? Yes. If I just reverse this array, then it will be looking like A4, A3, A2, A1, and A5. Now, for sure, what I know, my A4 is at correct position for every element in my array. Can I do this same thing? My question yes. So let's what I will do. I will go to every element of the array and I will try to put that element at correct position. Does it make sense? Yes. So I can simply say, since I am only looking whether I can make my array equal to my target array. If if now what I want to do, I want to my array equals to my target array. I can only do this if these both have same element. Like let's say example, if this is 1 2 4 9, then this target should also have it might be in any order. Okay. Mm, these now for sure what I know I can make from this to this by just arranging every element in the array. Does it make sense? Yes. Let's say if in target I have instead of 9 I have like something like this 8, can I make this target array? No, my answer is no. I will never able to make target array from my array. Doesn't make any sense. So can I say if array elements will have some frequency, like say let's say every element in an array should be also present in my target array. Does it make sense? Like let's say in array I have something like this 1 2 5 3, then in target array all those elements should be present. Does it make sense? Then the only case I can make this target array. Hmm, it does make sense. It does make sense. So how can I do this? Now what I have to make sure my tar array have some elements, and every and every element in that array should also be present in my target array. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Yes, 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 yes. I can simply do this by checking whether target array have is of same size of array. Hmm. I can easily do this by sorting them both. If I am sorting them both, then for sure, let's say it has 4 element, it also have 4 element. It will be like 1 3 4 2, and it will be 1 2 4 3. If I just sort this both array, it will be like 1 2 3 4, and it is also will be like 1 2 3 4. Then if these two are equal, I can simply return true, which means I can simply make my target array from my current array. Does it make sense? Yes, yes, yes. To sort them out, the time complexity for this case will be of n log n, and space complexity will be of 1. Does it make sense? Yes, 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 yes. Let's see the code for this solution. Here you can see I have firstly checked whether both have same size. If not, then return false. I have sorted my target array, then I have sorted my array, then check whether these both are same or not. If these both are not same, just return false, else return true. So we have already see the time complexity will be L log n, and the space complexity will be O1. Doesn't it? Yes. So my question now, can I reduce my time complexity? So you can see for sure what I know here till now. Till now, what I know that array and target array will have same elements, will have same element, but it can be in different order. This is the only case when I will get my answer as true. Else, if array and target don't have same elements, then my answer will be false. Means we can't form target from my array. Does it make sense? Hmm. So can I simply use a data structure? Can I simply use a data structure which will help me to see whether which will help me to get every element in ARR. Let's say in ARR I have something like this: 1, 3, 9, 15. So what I want to know, in some data structure I can simply use something like this. Let's say I have one more 9. So it which means in my target element I also want two nines. Okay, so what I want to know the frequency of every element and the element present in my array, which can be simply done by HashMap on map. So I can use HashMap. So by using what I will do. Let's say I have some. Let's take the same example. I have target like 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have some array like 1, 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay, okay. So what I will do, firstly, I will get every element from my array and create my unordered map, which is and along with their frequency. 2 is present one time, 4 is present one time, 1 is present 3 times, and 3 is present one time. Okay. So first element here, the pair will be of element and frequency. Okay, okay. After getting build this, I can also build the same for target and compare them both if they are same or not. Or I can simply get every element from my target. Let's say here I have one. I will go there and check whether my hash map have one or not. I simply see I have one. Let me just update this. It is also one. uh, I have one. I can simply say I have one with a frequency of 1. So I will just decrease the frequency. If my frequency is 0, which simply means now I don't require anyone. So can I remove this? Yes, I can. Same, I will go for 2, 3, and 4. So it will be like 0, 0, 0, and everything will be removed. So can I say, after traversing to my target array, can I say if the size of hash map is 0, the size of hash map is 0, which simply means this both target and array is equal. I can return true, else I can return false. Let's take another example. If I have one more here, also if I have one more here. So for that case, the frequency of one will be 2. So firstly, I will encounter this one. I will reduce frequency to 1. Is the frequency of 1 is 0? No. So I will not remove this element from my hash map. Again, I will go for 2, reduce the frequency, it is 0. I will just remove it. Same for 3, same for 4. Again, I will found 1, 1, 1, 1. So I will reduce the frequency and it is 0 now. So I will just remove. Okay. What that case I can see. The time complexity will be O of n plus O of n, which is nothing but O of n. And the space complexity is also O of n. This is for traversing to my array. This for traversing to my array. This is for traversing to my target, and combining will be of n, and space complexity will be of n for map. Does it make sense? Yes, yes. Let's see the code of this example too. Here. Here, I have declared a element name. I have declared a hash map which will have every element present in my target array. So I will just build my hash map. After this, I will traverse to my array. Okay, and get and check whether the element which the element is present in my array. Let's take an example. It is like 1 2 3 4, so it will be like 1 2 3 4. Everyone has frequency of 1. I will check whether it is present or not. If it is present, then I will reduce the frequency by 1. Let's say for 1, I will just reduce the frequency of by 1, and check. If the frequency is 0, I will just remove it from my hash map. Else I will just keep it if the frequency is not 0. Also there is case. Let's say I am in target. I have 1 2 3 4 and also 9, and in array I have 1 5 3 4 9. Now, what I know, this 5 is not present in my hash map. So I will directly just return false. Okay. After doing this, I will simply check if the array element size is greater than 0. I will simply return false, else I will return true. For this, the time complexity will be O of n, and space complexity will be also O of n. Okay. Let's see the code. Let me just submit for you. Here. There you can see I've submitted my code and getting correct answer. Okay. If you like my solution, please like the video, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I will help you out. Thank you.